Okay, so I just came across this tool called pgFirstAid that's supposed to help optimize PostgreSQL databases. Sounds pretty cool, right?
Wait, what? A tool that just runs checks on your database. That's really interesting. How does it even work?
So it's a single SQL function, no external tools required. You just copy it into your database and run it to get health insights.
No external dependencies. That's a big plus. But how does it prioritize issues? I mean, isn't that a bit subjective?
Actually, it ranks issues by severity, like critical, high, medium, and so on. It makes it easier to tackle the most pressing problems first.
That's pretty smart. But I wonder, how does it decide what's critical? Is it based on common database pitfalls?
Exactly, for example, missing primary keys and unused large indexes are flagged as critical. Those can really slow things down.
Oh wow, I didn't realize those could have such a huge impact. But how does it find those issues without modifying the database?
It's all read-only operations. It checks system catalogs and doesn't lock any user queries while running.
That's really thoughtful. It seems like it could be a lifesaver for non-DBAs who may not know where to start.
Right, plus it provides actionable recommendations too. Each issue comes with steps on how to fix it.
That's super helpful. But aren't there risks involved when following those recommendations? Like, what if something goes wrong?
Good point. The guide emphasizes reviewing recommendations carefully and testing in a non-production environment first.
I appreciate that caution. Still, I wonder how often people actually run such tools. Is daily really necessary?
Absolutely, it suggests running it daily as part of a health check. Plus, it's also good before deployments or after major changes.
That's interesting. It makes sense to monitor constantly, especially when planning capacity. But does it handle performance issues?
Definitely, it helps troubleshoot slow queries and can guide capacity planning by tracking growth trends.
Okay, but what about compatibility? If it's designed for PostgreSQL, what about other databases?
It works with PostgreSQL 10 Plus and even some features on 9x, and it's compatible with PostgreSQL compatible databases like Amazon RDS.
That's good to know. But could it really replace a DBA, especially in complex environments?
Not exactly. It's a great tool for insights, but having a DBA is still important for deeper understanding and management.
That makes sense. Tools like this can support DBAs, though. They won't have to sift through issues manually.
Exactly. Plus, the documentation links included can help anyone learn more as they go along.
I love that aspect. It's like a teachable moment every time you run a check.
Right, and speaking of learning, the creator wants feedback and contributions, which is a nice community-driven approach.
That's refreshing. It's like they want to build something that grows with user input, not just stay static.
Exactly, and the whole idea of making database health tools accessible to everyone is kind of revolutionary.
It is. It breaks down barriers that usually keep non-DBAs away from managing their databases effectively.
But here's where it gets interesting. What if someone misinterprets the recommendations? That could lead to issues.
Totally. That's why the emphasis on careful review is crucial. Users need to understand what they're doing.
Right, it's a balance between automating checks and ensuring users are still educated in their database management.
Exactly. I think this could be a game changer for many, but I wonder how the community will respond to it long term.
Yeah, will it get adopted widely? And can it keep evolving based on user feedback? That could really shape its future.
It's exciting to think about. This could open doors to more innovations in database management.
So if we put all this together, PG First Aid isn't just a tool, it's a step towards democratizing database health.
Absolutely. And it invites collaboration, which is vital in open source communities. I can't wait to see where this goes.
It's like a new chapter for database management, and I can't help but think about the future of similar tools.
Right? The tech landscape is changing so fast, and tools like this could redefine how we approach database health.
But wait, what happens when issues are flagged but no clear action is possible? That could cause frustration.
That's a real concern. It's essential for tools like these to provide clarity, not just highlight problems.
Exactly, so while this tool has incredible potential, it's important for users to approach it critically.
Definitely. I think it's all about balance, embracing the technology while still understanding its limitations.
Right, and leaving room for growth and learning is key, both for the users and the tool itself.
This is such a good reminder of how technology can empower us, but we have to engage with it thoughtfully.
Exactly, so what will you take away from this discussion about PG First Aid?
I'm definitely more curious about how it could impact database management for non-DBAs. It's a fascinating development.